Meaning of Eastern.
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 Eastern. The word eastern relates to the point on the compass directly opposite to west. It refers to anything situated or occurring towards the east, which is the direction that the sun rises from. The term is often used to describe geographical regions, time zones, or cultural influences that are located to the east of a particular point. In general, eastern regions are associated with a different set of customs, traditions, and values than those found in Western cultures. Therefore, the meaning of Eastern is closely tied to the idea of an area that has its own distinct identity and characteristics.